Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know how Amazon marketing works for the jewelry business. So now the thing is, recently we have started working with a few clients, and for them we have started the work from scratch. The only thing that they had was actually the Seller Central account where they would like to run the ads. So now let's just dive deep into these things on what exactly that you can do step by step to get your products listed on the Amazon side of things, and then how to do the marketing for them. So now the first step that you should be doing is to setting up, of course, the Amazon account, and then you need to set up the products on the Amazon account so that you can sell them to various businesses online, or basically for the customers as well. So for doing the product setup, you need to make sure that there are few basic things that actually needs to be there for the product. Then only you will be able to do the feed upload for those products. The few basic things that you should be taking care of are the product ID, that should be the most important thing, followed by the product title, and then the content. The content of the product should be the A+ content, which needs to be optimized for the basic keywords, so that when you set up the products on the Amazon side of things, you get the listings naturally as well. By getting the listing naturally, you should be able to see the sales going forward. Second thing is that we need to make sure that the products that you will do the upload, they actually needs to be on the Amazon policy perspective. They should be 100% on the basis of the Amazon policy perspective. So if you are just not sure on how to do that, you can contact us through WhatsApp. There is a number on top right corner, or you can use our website to fill in the form, and we should be able to get in touch with you. So once the product gets approved and once the product goes into the buy box, then we can start the ads for those products. So now what happens is that we can actually run the product for various countries. It can be US, UK, Canada, Australia, and then we have the other European countries as well, like the Italy, we have Germany, and then we have Spain as well. But then the main market that is there is basically the US. So we need to get started with the US campaigns first. So when we set up the campaigns, we normally try to do two type of campaign. One is for the manual campaign, wherein we choose the keyword based on the products that we are doing the ads for. Second one is basically the automated campaign, wherein the Amazon algorithm chooses the search term based on our product and based on the description that we have on our product landing page. So now based on the data, we do the optimizations of the campaign. These two are the basic campaign that we can set up, that is the manual and the automated. And then what happens is that, suppose that you are getting the clicks from the keywords in the manual campaign and you are getting some sales. We need to set up the campaigns in a way wherein we can have much broader reach. That way we can see how many sales that we have got based on the spend. We need to see the ACOs. The ACOs for these kind of products or for any type of products on Amazon should be between 15% to 20%, because you will be giving 10% or 15% of the total revenue as a fees to the Amazon as well. So in order to make your business profitable, you definitely need to work on the ACOs, but then that we can start working on from the second month itself. In the first month, we need to make sure that we are getting the sales, and we need to know what keywords are actually bringing us the sales. So once we are able to see, we can have separate campaign for the best converting search term from the manual campaign. Also, we can see the search term that are bringing us conversions from the automated campaign. Then we can try to have separate campaign for those keywords, so that we can place bid on them. We can give them higher budget per day so that we can maximize the sales. but then the most important thing is to also making sure that the older campaign should not compete against with the newer one. We need to make sure that the newer one, the keyword that we are doing in the new campaign should be as a negatives in the older campaign, so that they don't compete against each other. So in a nutshell, this is the strategies that we need to follow from start to finish on how to set up the campaigns and how to start the marketing on the Amazon platform. But if you are just not sure on how to do that, or if you have any PPC campaigns running on Amazon and you are not getting the desired results, you can contact us through WhatsApp. There is a number on top right corner, and then we also have a website where you can contact us through the website. You can fill the form, and then we will be able to get in touch with you on how you can take your business to the next level.